This machine is born to serve BBQ parties worldwide. Isn't it amazing? This is a semi-automatic machine designed to cut melons and pineapples into small pieces. The operator only has to load the peeled and halved fruit onto the conveyor belt. This tabletop manual melon slicer is a must-buy for your family. It will cut the prepared melon into even pieces at extremely fast speed and can cut the melon into slices and pieces in just one go. To do this, the melon must be peeled, cut in half and seeded first. This compact semi-automatic machine is ideal for processing, optimized for efficient de-sting and having of sweet peppers with high quality and minimal effort. Let's see this meat packing robot professionally like an artist in a factory. This interlayer cheese slicer is truly an incredibly ingenious machine. This is an automatic saw for cutting frozen and fresh products with and without bones. It is a compact and powerful machine that offers high productivity to the operator. Precision in cutting thickness and above all offers maximum safety during use. This automatic pork chop saw is designed to make 4 longitudinal cuts, center or off-center along the product. The machine is manually fed and cutting is performed continuously using 4 circular saws in complete safety. Raspberries, blackberries, red currants and cherries are more popular than ever. This nearly fully automated packaging line was built and provided by Tramper Technology. If you don't like our video, please comment with a 0 so we can improve it. Seal Pack A7 for sliced meat in flat map applications. The packaging line for sausage packaging and flow wrap HFFS with this flexible film will be essential for leading food companies. The Seal Pack A tray sealing machine is designed for flexibility and efficiency. Seal pack tray sealers provide quick and reliable sealing at all times. This ultrasonic roll slicer uses flying knives and a continuous conveyor system to keep the product in constant motion during cutting. The guitar cutter is ideal for cutting ganache, almond cake, soft caramel, chocolate and more quickly and accurately. You can cut square, rectangular, or diamond shapes. This sorting machine helps eliminate some standard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of In the food industry, blueberry packing and sorting machine lines have become one of the most important innovations, helping to optimize production processes and improve product quality. With a combination of advanced technology and automation, this line not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures packaging and grading of blueberries takes place accurately and efficiently. The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort.